Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this LA120 here. I got this for 150 bucks. The guy I bought it from said it doesn't start, so let's see if I can get it running. I can turn the mower with my hand. There's a lot of compression right there. I'll put the jumper cables there on the battery. Put the brake on there. I'll turn it over. Locks up. Locks up again. So when this motor locks up like that, everybody thinks you got a weak starter or maybe a bad ground. But probably what's wrong is your valve's out of adjustment. Like there's no decompression levers on these V-twins in this camshaft. Not like these single cylinders one. This is a single cylinder camshaft here. And this is a decompression lever here. So there's none of that, but the way these camshafts are designed on some of these V-twins is the two lobes, they overlap a little bit. So that's their design of lowering the compression on low RPM. When the valves are out of adjustment, there's no valve overlap, so they lock up on too much compression. So I'll take the spark plugs out. Doesn't look too bad. That looks good too. Check the oil here. Yeah, it's full. Turns over really good. I'll put the spark plugs back in. Take the hood off here. Takes 3X sockets. Okay, I'll go on the compression stroke. So that's the exhaust. Intake, and then compression, just past the compression, that's when you check it. See, the intake might be a little loose. So the intake, 3 to 5 thou. I'm going to set it at 0.4, and wow, there's no resistance there whatsoever. 0.05 to 0.7 thou of an inch, so this is a 0.6, and a little slight resistance there, so the exhaust is good. So I'm gonna adjust the intake a little bit here. It's the same size T40 Torx. Damn it, Jesus Christ. Back off the nut here quite a bit here. I'm gonna put my 4th hour shim here. Turn my Torx till it's a little bit of resistance here, right there. And perfect right there. Slight drag. Turn my nut in. Try this again. Too loose. I'm just going to turn this in a little bit more, see if I can. 4th thou intake, nice slight drag there, good. 6th thou on the exhaust, nice drag right there, so that's pretty good. I'm going to tighten them up here. I'm going to go this way to counteract the torque of my nut. You can rotate the motor if you want, but nice. Yeah, that's good. Clean everything in here. Now some degreaser here. Sometimes there's oil at the bottom inside here, you gotta clean that. I think the valve cover on the left hand side there is leaking oil because there's oil everywhere here. So I'm going to degrease all that and I'll check the valves on the other side.
15 minutes later.
Alright, I degreased it right there, and the boat's valves are set, they're right specs, so I'm going to turn her over. Perfect, so obviously the starter wasn't weak. That turns over, the valves are good, starter's good. I'm going to take the fuel line off there of the pump. The gas tank was empty, so I put a little gas in it. I'm going to blow a little bit of compressed air in there, just a little bit. I don't want to put too much, but just a little bit. Just going to see if gas comes out of the fuel pump. Yeah, looks like it is. That's good. There's no blockage. Let's put the fuel line back on here. Put a little bit more in, fill the curb. Got the gas off the exhaust here. Don't let it catch fire. There's no muffler, so if it starts, it's going to make a little bit of noise. So I'll got my air protection on. I'm going to put a little gas in the carburetor. Get the choke on. Gas halfway. Yeah, this thing runs pretty good. I'm going to junk this. I don't think I'm going to fix it up. There's a good transmission. There's a good motor. The tires are no good. The fender deck's all rusty. I think I'm just going to keep it for parts. If you like this video, press thumbs up below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.